How to mute message notifications on TikTok. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply mute message notifications on TikTok. So first of all, what you're going to do is open up the Play Store and look for the TikTok application. Open it and update it if it's not. And if it is, you're good to go. And this implies on other OS applications or OS devices, for example, Apple devices and the Symbian devices as well, because the new features won't be available on the previous versions of this application. So without wasting any more second, let's dive into this. Go and open up the TikTok application. You're gonna go into the inbox, and once you go over there, you just have to simply select any of the messages or conversations. So once you open this conversation, what you're gonna do is go at the top right corner and tap on that dotted bar option. Once you do that, there's this page that opens up and you'll simply see that mute notifications. Once you tap or check up on it or check it on, so now you're not going to receive any sort of notifications from that person. That means he or she can send you a message, but you won't be able to get those notifications because you have turned off the notifications for that person. So only you have muted for this specific conversation. For example, any other or third person, if he or she texts you, so you'll able to receive that. I hope I've made myself clear and this video was informative. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. If you do have any query or question, just comment down below. I would love to answer. So till next time, peace.